This is one weedy plant of west coast that has settled very well in Bangalore in our garden and also spreading on its own little bit. This name I have forgotten. I have to check out once again. A small flowers. Looks a bit like Assistaceae gangetica, but it's a common weed occurring all inside the town also in Dakshina Kannada and West Coast.